So this is the first circuit, first voltage divider circuit, or circuit 1I. We have a 300 ohm resistor, a blue LED, a 2N3906 NPN transistor. We have a 2K resistor and a 1K resistor. And when the source is on, the LED should light on, since what the voltage of this resistor will be greater than the turn on voltage. So if we turn the source on, the LED lights on. Here's the same circuit with the PNP configuration. I'm using a 2N3906 as the PNP transistor, and it should work the same way.